So make it yeah. So we are creating the circle. Yeah.
Now we need to make a circle.
Yeah. Now make it circles, and this is a regular practice to develop your sketching skill. Okay, Taleen. Good morning, Taleen.
Morning.
How are you, beta?
You're going too fast.
I'm going to first.
Yeah.
You can see over here. This session, no, the sketching session should be little fast. This is for practice. Okay, so we will try to make it little fast. Mm, so this is. So make its eyes. I down this one little bit up. Okay, so this is eyes. Yes, if I down this more, yeah, I can see from top. Okay, so make it the eyes like very simple, pretty simple. Like this, nose, mouth. Okay, like this. Caps. This is a sketching. Okay, so make it fast, little fast. I do the step by step, so it is not that tough things. You can feel that it's so easy. Can do. Okay, Vidita. Hi Hanshika, good morning beta. Shet is here. Making Varsha is not there. Brishti. Okay, so you can make it the hair like this, very simple. Okay, very simple. So make it neck. This is the here. Okay, there's the back and back sides like this. So I expecting the sketchy, very nice. Wow, very nice. Kalin. Kalin started the digital painting class as well. Kalin, you practice digital painting class after you practice something. You paint carpet. Wow, pretty nice. Good. Okay, stop. Did you make it like to make it safe? Which is very nice. The face. Wow. Good morning. Okay, so I have just finished the sketching. Can I go ahead the next part? Make sure we are Shahil done beta.
Now I can see it.
Yeah, done na Sahil beta.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, pakka. So make sure this session just a minute, okay, 1 minute, 2 minutes practice because this is build up the skill up. Okay, lion, we are making something character. Yeah, do the lion also, but not much more time spent. We are going to the two type of drawing started today. One is a portrait, one was a watercolor sketch. So we are spending the sketching for not much time. So I teaching last few days to
Watercolor today?
yeah. So how see the different angle the character. This is also I started to showing. So let's start the same character, different angles, how looks. Completely, completely different angle, same character. To make the line, this is right. So make it circle. So like this, okay. So make it this. So like this, okay.
I didn't get how you make the face.
Yeah, first make a circle. No, I do the circle first.
Can you show me how to make the face again?
Yeah, just make it circle.
No, this mouth
Yeah,
and eyes.
yeah, after circle, just make it a nose, eyes. You can see here also eyes, and the mouth. Okay, this is pretty simple. The mouth. So the hair. So how looks the character if showing this opposite sides? Okay, Talin. Dhanvi, understood, beta? See, Talin, if you are not seeing there, you can open this one. Okay, you can see there also.
Not where I forgot which one trying to
Okay, Mr. Sharma. Hey, Mrs. Sharma, good morning. I hope that you joined the senior batch, right? From last week. So this is fine. So the same character. Mama, why you are sitting down? Do. Whatever I am showing now, it is practice. It is helpful for you. Your sketch need to be very smartly, fast practice. Any sketching you can do fast. See my drawings. See Talin also taking practice for the last 3 years. So whatever with this confidence, you can do this. You are also the same practice. Okay, not sitting down. Just whatever you are. It is, if you not like also, it should be practice. This is a sketching. It's a help you for your future to draw any sketching very fast. Just few minutes. Hmm. Kishe. Like this. Hi. ये क्या क्या चेंज आज डन इसको क्या क्या चार्जेस है ओके ओके आपको ये नंबर दीजिए फिर QR कोड है आपको QR कोड डन हो गया फाइन okay yes can you okay I give it to please more share you if you are finished can share me just a second I ठीक है ना yeah this if you finish just show me your drawing that is very nice Anshika Shamedha can show Kamerana Nivedita here if you are finished can share me I start the next drawing next 2 minutes okay finish Shahil, if you are finished, can you share me, beta? और दिन में चेंज कर देता स्कैनर पे. कितना हुआ? Please show. 7. 770. Then what is your check? इसका कितना आप इतना लेता है ये just not fair. Yeah, it's not fair. It's coming 2 minutes work 200. You already take before 300, no? हाँ तो उस टाइम पे आपको होना चाहिए था. आप इसे एक ही आए. That is fine, but it's just 2 minutes 200. You know what the charges I am working to 8 hours. I am not getting 1,000. That is it is no second time walk. It is. The second time off, you should finish that time only. I am not staying there that time. My wife is only here. It's not fixed properly. आप उसी टाइम पे फिक्स कर दे सकते ना. ये एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस नहीं लगता था उस टाइम. नहीं चला था. नहीं तो चला ना. नहीं work. It is work in this. Why are you giving the extra 6,000 charges only for one now? You will tell me. It's not worth.
Sir, you can continue.
It's just 2 minutes. Okay, guys. Let's. This finish. Yeah. Yeah, this is good.
What will be watercolor?
I started. Let's be patient of the first sketching. This was okay now. Just check it out. I put the 900. Thank you. Okay. This is one last drawing, sketching. Then I start the portrait of Joker. So we are making something realistic portrait. Okay. One character but full body. Okay. How to build up the full body. Understood, Tanvi? Okay, we are build up the full body sketching, very fast, not slow. Just no need to very details.
As a video game character.
Yeah.
Fortnite. It's there.
So just gesture how to create. Okay, circle. Yeah, Sahil, understood, beta? This is a gaming character creation. Okay, just a second. You are not set properly. Just check. I just check it better. What is this? Just a second. Yeah. Now, you tell me. Okay, I sometimes happen this kind of things. Just tell me. So head down. So head. This is. So this is a. This is body. Okay, this is You can see here also, beta. Talim, if you not couple, don't jumping. You can do here. See here, this boy very nicely you can see. You use spit? Oh, really? I never seen you using spec. Nice. So we are making the anatomy first. Anatomy like this circle. This is the head, torso, pelvis. This is the basic anatomy of this character. And this is the basic shape of uh, the gesture. So you can go ahead the same gesture. Okay, but not. I don't need this very detailing. I just need this little bit of understand that character. How to create this. Okay, Dhanvi beta, understood? Okay, this is. You have done space to manage the space. Okay, that is very important. So when I draw here, that means I'm making something big. So okay, because the head is very, we should be small head, then you can.
Like this small?
Yeah, that then you can go ahead the bigger. If you're small, no, if you are very big, it is not coming full body. Because the head size is 7, you need the 7.5. This is not coming. So make it the head smaller. Here. Then it's coming here, no problem. You can start with a smaller head. Yeah. Try to arrange the character, how to create the characters. Okay.
Look, I made it tiny.
Yeah, no problem. Tiny also is good. Just understanding the techniques and process. Bas that's it. Okay. So after the body structure is done, so we can go ahead to the, you know. So you can make it like this, like this. सर आपको चार्ज मिला वो चार्जर लैपटॉप चार्जर वो that is better আপনার নিচের ঘরে যেখানে না ডান্স কথা চুপচাপ করতে পারবেন এখানে নিচের ঘরে ডান্স ক্লাস হয় তাহলে চুপচাপ করতে পারবেন you can say that's my that room is a very empty only no थोड़ी देर no all time you can do आप करो आप डिस्टर्ब नहीं करते no do no
Sir, did you dance?
yeah dance classes is there cut that huh this is fine two rough also fine just understanding this character designing
I'm also looking for dance classes.
isn't it Kathak or Bharatanatyam
No, none of them.
this is you okay you aren't understood that Indian classical
I do hip hop.
hip hop okay street dance hip hop like this no is nearby is once that here
I have been doing hip hop since I was 5, so
yeah
maybe just
so this is some sketching style okay I no need to draw Sahid understood beta
this is so good.
okay just how to create this very fast this is a scribbling drawing okay so
Wow.
now I can